Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gurney. So today in this exciting spotting video, I'm gonna go ahead and do something with these today. So, as you guys may know, I work with Growing Colors, the Growing Colors company, and they sent me 144 plugins to try out this year. And so my dad just came and he brought me a little something. And I love these trays, you guys, because they help me so much, and these mini pots. And I only had 3 trays and a few pots of these, but he told me today he bring me trays and the pots for the things. My parents are so supportive. They're so nice. They're so supportive. They support everything I do, so huge shout out to them. I love you guys. So I have a lot of planting to do, so let me go see what he brought. He said he left it in the front of the house, so because I really need a lot of those, and plus if I ever do propagation plantings, a whole mass, that's gonna be a pretty good help. So let's see. Look at this. This is a lot of pots, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the pots first. So this is a great help because my dad, if he has something available, he's gonna bring it to me. He's so nice. Love him. So those trays, I'm gonna do tray by tray by tray of heucheras and gaillardia. And in 2021, I'm gonna need those trays because, you know, yeah. So, and if you see it's really wet, you guys, it's because it poured like crazy. When I mean crazy, I mean crazy. Like it looked like a mini hurricane passed through. And my garden is flooded. When I mean flooded, during that storm, like water started building up, and those puddles of water became bigger and bigger. And then my raised beds, the mini raised bed I have in the ground, started filling up with water, and my corn was suffocating. And then I just wanted to go outside there and just like grab them all, but they will recuperate, they will regenerate from that. So yeah, so as a matter of fact, if you guys haven't seen the unboxing video from the Growing Colors, because I did a little recording video and posted it, it's gonna be right here, I think it is. Yeah, it's gonna be right here, so please go check it out. And yeah, so I'm gonna be hoping to plant a whole bunch more plugins, because I want all 144 planted by the end of this week, or either in the middle of October. October is coming up, you guys. Fall is officially here. A lot of bulb planting is starting. Lots of fall planting is starting, and I'm really excited for that. So these trays. So as a matter of fact, let me go ahead and put the camera down, and I'm gonna be right back with you guys. So I'm back. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and put all the plants that are like outside the trays, that don't have a tray in the trays. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera and let you guys see the whole process. Okay guys, so I'm back, and so as you guys could see right here, I'm a bit organized right here. So I'm thinking to fill this complete table up with these plugins. Once these plugins have some space, I'm thinking to go ahead and move a table. To move a table to my garden and put it over there because once they grow on, they need to be moved to my shit house for more plugins could be moved in here because I'm planning this. Once these plugins all have been planted up, I'm gonna be doing a propagation plan, meaning I'm gonna cut plant like the main plant up and then do mini plants with that, so in the following spring I could have so many plants, you guys, and so many projects for you guys. It's gonna be amazing. So this is helping a lot what my dad did, and my dad said that they're still bringing in more, so I told them just bring them to me because I'm gonna be needing them this fall. I'm preparing for spring 2021, and we have lots of plants. This is a plug-in. So a plug-in is basically a small rooted plant right here that's grown into a full mature plant, and they're usually grown on with rooting hormone, and then they use peat pellets to grow them on. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So I have a bag of soil here that I'm gonna use, and I have fertilizer and the tag they sent me. You guys, I'm having a bit of a crisis going on. I'm running out of biotone and it's not good, and how can I say it? It's hard to find biotone anywhere because they don't sell it at our Home Depot, neither at Lowe's. They sell it at one garden center, but last time I went, like the 3 times I went to go see if they had any, they were sold out. And the first time I got one was because they only had one left. And so I don't know when's gonna be the next time. I'm running out of fertilizers. I don't know what to do, but we're gonna use what we have. So here's the pot right here. Ooh. We're gonna go ahead and fill it up like halfway with soil, and then I recommend you go ahead and add a pinch of fertilizer. You get your plug-in, you put it down. The plugins are wet because we had the storm that went through, so we're gonna put the tag in here, and then we're gonna go ahead and fill it all back up with soil, you guys, like so. As you guys could see right here, we're gonna plant it. And a great fact when you're planting plugins, you're gonna have to have a bit of experience growing these because plugins are basically like babies in a way. They need a lot of attention. They need a lot of things. They need water. They need water every single day. They need constant feeding every month. It's something you have to stay on top of and have experience on. And so if you're a beginner gardener, I prefer you go ahead and you buy mature plants already or that have been grown on by the grower, because if you attempt growing plugs, it's gonna be a bit difficult because of all the necessities these plugins need. So these plugins they need water. They constantly need water because moisture makes roots happen, and you want a lot of growth going on, and so water is key. So that's how you basically plant it, you guys. It looks pretty cute in how I did it. This is the Berry Smoothie Heuchera from the Growing Colors company. So we're gonna go ahead and place it aside. All right, so that's how you plant for the, the Heuchera. So now let me go ahead and show you how to plant for the Gaillardia. So here's the Gaillardia and how it's gonna look with the flowers, called Arizona Apricot Gaillardia. The plugins are over here. I'm gonna just grab one because, yeah. So here's a plugin right here. See, as you can see, this is the main stem, or which it was grown on, and then this is another cutting. So we're just gonna be burying it right there. So we're gonna get the pots right here. Filling it halfway up with soil, like so. Oh, fertilizer, almost forgot. Add the fertilizer. Gonna push it in a bit. Put the tag in and fill it back up with soil. Oops, I hope I just showed that on frame. Add it down once more. No air pockets, because if there's air pockets anywhere, that could cause problems with watering later on. Add it down firmly. And I usually put a pinch of soil on the tag right here. And that's how you do it. This is gonna move on. So guys, that's how you basically plant plugins. If you want to go ahead and check out Growing Colors Company, their Instagram and website will be down below. And unfortunately, you cannot be buying no more 2020 plugins or plants for this year, because they all are sold out and there's no more running in the season no more. So in 2021, I prefer you have a jump start and go ahead and order your plugins early on, because you would appreciate all of that. So they sell a whole many different varieties of plugins that you can go ahead and grow on. Once more, they're not like Proven Winners that sells publicly to everybody out there. They sell to picked gardeners. They sell to, well, gardeners that they know that have experience growing on. They choose greenhouses and businesses that grow them on from there. But yeah, once more, if you're a beginner gardener, I do not recommend you go ahead and plugging these or growing these on. But if you have experience under your feet, go for it. It's amazing and fun to see these grow on and have growth, and it's amazing. So I will be doing many updates on these and the actual planting, care seeds for all of these, and it's gonna be amazing, you guys. I can't wait. And I just realized this morning this. I don't know if you guys are able to see that, but that right there, you guys, is a bud. I don't know if we're supposed to go ahead and let it grow on or anything like that, but if I'll just let it bloom if it even does. But I do want to show you one that has been growing on. So right here, as you guys could see, this is the Gaillardia Arizona apricot right here. See how way bushier that one is? And true leaves are coming out right here, meaning that the leaves, the actual matured leaves or the actual leaves of the plants are coming out. There's way bushier and way fuller and easier to plant, and the growth rate is amazing. I want to go ahead and show you a kukura as well. See, this is amazing, you guys. Look at this growth, and there's many more leaves coming on. So yeah, their Instagram and website will be down below. Please, I recommend to go ahead and check them out. Please support them and follow them, you guys. They just hit 100 followers on Instagram, which I'm really excited and so supportive and so honored to be working with them. So yeah, we'll be doing many updates on these. If you want to go ahead and see the unboxing video, it's gonna be right over here, so please make sure to go ahead and check that one out. If you want to go ahead and subscribe to me, you can subscribe to me over here. If you want to go ahead and check out my Growing Colors Instagram and my Instagram, they'll pop up on the screen for you guys to go ahead and check out. And yeah, if you guys have any questions towards these plants, you could either reach out to me or you could reach out to Growing Colors, which I think it's more professional to go ahead and reach out to Growing Colors because they're the actual ones who create these plugins. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I post a new sprouting video just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when I post a new sprouting video. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next sprouting video. Bye guys.